I bought 4 Gameboys and a game from a yard sale for just $20. Each one has a little something different wrong with it, so let's try to fix them. I already fixed this GBA, and I fixed this copy of Super Mario, so today we'll be taking a look at this GBA SP. The buttons are pretty sticky, so let's try to fix it. We'll start by disassembling the GBA. We need to remove the battery, and we need to remove all of the tri-wing screws that hold the back of the console in place. As always, I'll list any of the tools I use, as well as the music credits for this video, down in the description below. Now that we've removed all of the screws, we can go ahead and take the back of the shell off the console, revealing the PCB. 3 more screws hold it in place. We can remove those with a simple Phillips bit. Now, we'll deattach the ribbon cable that is holding in the screen. We'll remove the buttons and hopefully we can find out what's making them stick. As you can see here, it looks like some soda or some other type of beverage got into the console. If we clean it up, we should be able to get those buttons working like new again. Now, I'm going to take apart the screen assembly. After removing the hinges, we can now wash the shell. I'll use some water and some soap, and hopefully I'll be able to scrub away all of that soda that was making the buttons stick. All of the pieces turned out pretty well. I was able to get off all of the soda. As I wait for the shell to dry, I'm going to use some isopropyl alcohol to clean the motherboard. And now that the shell is dry, I'll reassemble the Game Boy. I'll start with the screen. I'll then place all the buttons in. And then I'll watch them all fall out while I try to plug in the screen. After putting the buttons back in, I'll screw down the board and assemble the back half of the shell. I'll screw in the back, and then I'll put the battery back in, and this repair is finished. As you can see, it works perfectly, and the buttons work fine now. I've tried to do a voiceover for this video, and I'm pretty nervous about the sound of my own voice, so let me know if you like it, and if I should keep doing voiceovers for my future videos. Thanks for watching.